I thought, I have 100 friends that'll write me a check for $1,000. And there's $100,000. No committees, no fundraising, not bothering people for silent auction items. So that's how 100 Women Making a Difference started.
I applied for the scholarship and I was picked as one of the finalists, and I really just enjoyed being with the women, hearing what they do for their careers and seeing how they're really just also dedicated to giving back to their communities.
100 Women has really been great because they're a group of very different women that have all come together to give me this scholarship and give me the opportunity to go to my dream school.
What it does is it creates a great sense of camaraderie, and people realize it's an intimate giving, it's efficient, and it's effective. And so we're not just a check. We're like an extended family to a lot of these people.
It's definitely not a one-time thing. It's you have a group of diverse women behind you, encouraging you.
I'll email her like updates and stuff. Sometimes like she'd send me birthday cards or Christmas cards. And it was nice just keeping in touch with them.
It's amazing to sit there and realize that the small group of women who are sitting in that room along with their spouses and guests, that we made all of those things happen for all of those people. You're sitting in the room with the people who made it happen, and then you get to hear from the organizations and the individuals whose lives we've really changed.
What you all are doing is absolutely amazing, and it's definitely impacted my life greatly.
I'm so grateful, here it comes, to 100 Women for everything. Everything that this organization and the wonderful women in it has done for me. I wouldn't be where I am without you all.
Having this be a success and having helped so many people has changed my life and the lives of the people who are members, I think. I really believe that it is within all of us to make a difference.